Here's how you can add countdown timer to your Shopify store. Start by tapping on Add Apps on your left side and tap on Shopify App Store, and this will take you to their official App Store where you just have to search for countdown timer. After that, you just have to go for this one, which is saying essential countdown time bar. Simply tap on this and tap on install button and wait for it to install, but before you have to agree the terms and condition and access to your Shopify store. So simply tap on install now. After that, you just have to tap on install app on the top right again, and as you can see my timer has been added. So simply tap on create a new timer and select whatever position or type you want to go with. So right now let's go with the landing page and tap on leave page, and as you can see this is how it will looks like. You can adjust the title, subheading, call to action, button text and link as well. So that was the process of how you can add countdown timer to your Shopify store.